Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third, or is this the fourth puzzle in the daily newspaper of Friday? Yes, it's Friday, July the 2nd, 2021. In this Friday's edition, there is no extra Sudokus, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of Tuesday, June the 29th, 2021. Yesterday we have also no additional, so I have solved the Wednesday newspaper, the additional. So now I continue with the puzzles, and I have left one. I thought there was only three puzzles, but this one is really the last one of this additional, and this one will be a number 3039. Yes, 3039. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then. Alright, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Then. What shall I do? Well, look. This row is almost the same as that row. 1 1 1 1 1 1. So I can place the 1 here like this row, but then we have the same identical rows. Not allowed, so I cannot place the 1 here. The 1 should be there, and the O should be here. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. This column is almost the same, but I cannot compare yet. Let me see. Double O. No. 1 O. I think I need to compare the rows. Yeah. No. Yeah. Look, this row and that row, almost the same. Here we have the O. There again an O. If I place the fourth O here, then we have identical rows. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Yeah, and I will see you very soon. Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Saturday, weekend we have. Until then, bye-bye for now.